Hello, 7th graders. Mrs. Leinenbach here. A couple of announcements for things going on next week. So right now we're just starting our clay unit, and I know that this is going to be all virtual, and I'm going to try to answer some of your guys' questions from the study guide today. So at the bottom where it said if there's anything that you guys are confused about or don't understand, a lot of you guys talked about how, like, are we going to be doing clay? Like, how is this going to work at home? Or don't have a kiln, etc. Okay, so it's not going to happen like we would do it at school. Okay, there's no way to get the clay out to you guys, to get the kiln going and all that. And I understand a lot of you guys probably don't have access to clay at home. If you do have modeling clay or air dry clay or anything like that, you are more than welcome to use that for some of the stuff we're going to do next week. If you do not, I am going to be sharing a recipe with you guys next week and demonstrating how to make that type of a dough, which is like clay-like. So you can make that and use that for it as well. Now I understand that a lot of you guys may not have access to getting those materials, so the clay project isn't going to be necessarily something that is a grade, like as a project grade. It would be more of an opportunity for, I don't know if I'm going to do it for extra credit yet, or just if you want to do it, go for it. If you don't have the means to getting those supplies, then that's fine. But this will take place of the clay unit. So if you want to get that experience, then I would highly suggest either if you have modeling clay, like using that at home, or if not, going out and purchasing the materials that I'm going to tell you about today. I wanted to tell you in advance, that way, if one of your family members or something is going to the store in the next couple days, they could possibly get it for you. But I have a simple, easy recipe that you guys can use from home. I will share that recipe next week. I just want to tell you the ingredients right now. All you're going to need is flour, I think 2 to 4 cups, depending on how much you want to make, salt, anywhere between a half of a cup to a whole cup, again, depending on how much dough you want to make, and water. That's really all you're going to need for this. Super easy, super fun. It gets a little messy, just like clay. But if you need to go out and get those ingredients, I'm giving you guys time right now, letting you know in advance if you want to go ahead and get those to participate in that next week. Okay. Now, as far as the study guide goes, okay, I had you guys fill that out yesterday with with my PowerPoint that I uploaded. I went ahead and everybody who uploaded it and answered all the questions, the fill in the blanks, you got your attendance points for the day. Okay, I did not go in and grade each one of them individually. What I'm going to do is next week I'm going to post that study guide up with the fill in the blank answers. Okay, so it will be your responsibility to go in and check your answers. If you got any of the blanks wrong, you want to go in and refill them in with the correct ones. That will be your study guide. We are still going to be taking a clay test, more like a quiz. Okay, here in the next few weeks, I'll probably announce early next week when that will be. But you'll use that then to study for your clay test. So it will be your responsibility to go in there and check your answers on that. Okay, so again, I'm uploading that on Tuesday next week. Okay, I think that is about it. If you have any more specific questions or anything like that, please feel free to shoot me an email. I think that's about it. Okay, miss you guys.